This How to 1 Minute will show you how to edit DNS zone in cPanel. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to edit DNS zone in cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, scroll down. Under Domains, click on Zone Editor. Click the Manage button next to the domain which DNS zone you would like to edit. In this menu, now you can easily add new records, edit existing ones, or reset the DNS zone by clicking on this edit icon. And now you can edit the name, TTL, type, record. Then click on Save Record. To add a new record, click on Add Record, click on Type, and now you can select A, fourth A, CAA, CNAME, MAX, SRV, TXT. So that's how we can edit DNS zone in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.